For our last example, we've got this word problem. The equations P equals 7m plus 137 and C equals 4m plus 78 represent the number of cell phones P and digital cameras C sold in M months at an electronics store. We want to write an equation for the total monthly sales T of phones and cameras. So we're going to get the total of phones and cameras. Then we're going to predict the number of phones and cameras sold in 10 months. Well, I know the total is going to equal the amount of phones plus the amount of cameras, which we actually know what those equations are. So I'm going to substitute in the values for P and C in here. So I've got P is 7m plus 137 plus C, which is 4m plus 78. All I did was I replaced P with what I knew it was, C with what I knew it was to get my equation for the total. And when I combine my like terms, you can see I'm going to combine 7m and 4m and get 11m, and then I'm also going to combine positive 137 with positive 78 and get positive 215. So now I have my equation for the total amount of phones plus cameras sold. We just add the equations for phones plus cameras to get that. And now that I have that, I can predict the number of phones and cameras sold in 10 months. M is the number of months, they told us that. So I'm going to plug in 10 for M, so T equals 11 times 10 plus 215. T equals 110 plus 215. Then T equals 325. So, how many phones and cameras will be sold in 10 months? They will sell 325 phones and cameras in 10 months. So the equations here were a little bit easier than the ones we had been dealing with, but this word problem does work at combining like terms and then substituting in for a value. And that's it for this lesson. Let me know if you have any questions.